Welcome back to the Build with Robotica Studio series. Today, we are going to show how you can create your first program. First, head over to the Blueprint tab in the left side panel. This is where you'll find all your saved projects ready for you to open and edit. Ready to start? Just click the Create button at the top right to begin a new program. Next, we'll choose the robot recommended by Ramiro, the ABBIRB 1300. Now select the tool created in the previous episode where we covered tool creation. Finally, name your program and add a clear description. That's all it takes to complete the setup. For our simple drilling task, we'll create a quick program to machine 2 drill points, each 8 centimeters deep and spaced 15 centimeters apart. We'll start by adding a joint move to approach our first drilling point. To do this, press Shift+A to open the action menu. Alternatively, you can right-click and select the Add Node option. Select the Joint Move program block and start adjusting your first point. You can open the Joint Move programming block to adjust the parameters manually or alternatively, drag the tool center point to the desired position. Next, we'll add our first drilling point by using the Linear Move block. For this step, we'll manually input the rotation, 40 degrees around the y-axis, and then adjust the z-axis position. Now we're ready to start the drilling process. For this step, add a linear move function block and manually lower the tool center point by 8 centimeters. Add a point to return to your drilling start position, then add another point 15 centimeters away along the y-axis to begin the second drilling point. Now repeat the same steps for the second drilling point as you did for the first. At the end, use the Joint Move function block to return to home position. Now that your workflow is complete, connect the last step to the end function to finalize the process. After reviewing your motion parameters, such as acceleration and time, you can go ahead and run your simulation. While the simulation is running, the animated function blocks let you visually track the program's execution step by step. Once you're satisfied with your simulated process, you can export the program to manufacturer-specific code, enabling faster integration from simulation to reality. And remember, make sure to save your project. Thank you for joining us for the Build with Robotica Studio series. This is our alpha version, and it's just the beginning of Augmented Lab's journey to shape the future of robotics.